We are going to make this. Welcome to our another video. You are watching Adobic. First, make a rectangle and shape this with Shaper tool. Now take a pen tool and make loudspeaker section. Take Pathfinder tool and hold Alt button, then click to delete unnecessary parts. Now release Alt button and then click to make shapes under outlines. Take Shaper tool to make corner rounded. Now make shapes for loudspeaker bottom part. Now select all shapes and fill white color. Now fill yellow and red color to some shapes according to your choice. Make white color outline none. Now group all this, and go to Effects menu, 3D and Material. Now select Revolve. You can follow our applied settings, or you can experiment with these settings to make according to your choice. I will modify this shape a little bit. Experiment with this to make better. Now it looks good to me. Experiment with all lights and choose a best one. Now, we will make loudspeaker handle. We will copy effects from loudspeaker to this handle. Hold Alt button and drag this circle to handle layer circle. By this, all effects will be copied. Because the loudspeaker layer was a group, that's why our handle fill color is none. We will fill color to this handle. If these options is not showing in your Illustrator, then go to Windows menu, Workspace, and then select Essential Classic Workspace. Now rotate this from X, Y, and Z rotation and align with loudspeaker. If lighting is not good, then adjust lighting for this. Now we will make subscribe button. Take rectangle tool and make rectangle. Go to Effect menu, 3D and Material, and select Inflate option. Now follow these settings, or you can adjust settings according to you. Hold Alt button and drag rectangle layer circle to subscribe layer circle. By this, all properties will be applied to text. Now go to Appearance and select 3D and Material and adjust settings. If this options is not showing in your Illustrator, then go to Windows menu, Workspace, and then select Essential Classic Workspace. Now loudspeaker and subscribe button is ready. Please subscribe for more videos and like this video.